Hey, thank you for getting the Synd Backlink Pro. In this short video I'll show you how to use it. It's very simple. When you download the zip file, you need to of course extract it using a free software like WinRAR or 7-zip. You just need to extract the file from the compressed file. First thing you need to do, you go to the tools, license, and you paste here license ID and license key provided to you via email. Next, click OK. Next, you paste here your keyword. I paste new techno because this is what I'm gonna do right now. Website URL without HTTPS, so let's grab our blog post URL, copy, and this you click here OK. If you see this, you click generate the key and copy this key and you paste it here and you click run. And it's loading commands. If it's your first time with this line of the tools, suddenly the syndication reports folder gonna appear on your desktop, and here it's gonna be empty, of course, because I have here previous reports. A new folder will appear here in a moment when the validating the campaign details is complete. And the folder gonna contain several folders with reports. Okay, we have our new folder here. Let's check it. These are empty now, or at the moment generating Blogger backlinks. So the software is generating Blogger backlinks. So here in a moment it will be a file. Okay, now it's doing tumblers. So let's check it. Let's go to the let's check it to our report and let's see our backlink to this blog post. And yes, here we have our backlink right here. This is the content, this is the anchor text, but it leads to the same post in a link wheel kind of. So yeah, this is our post, and this is how easy it is. While it's working and generating other backlinks, you can stop it if you don't need or don't want such number of backlinks for this for any particular URL you're submitting here. So pretty much that's it. And when the software completes the process here, the pop-up window will tell you about it and you click OK. One thing I want to mention, that the software is a mass link building tool, and you can use it on high authority domains like Tumblr or YouTube or whatever on whatever parasites, Web 2.0s, etc. But don't use it on your money site, on your self-hosted money site, because your authority, because the domain of your authority is not that big, and you can hurt your SEO, you can hurt your rankings by using this tool directly to your money site instead of helping it. Like you can see, I use it for Web 2.0, and it's always good to have a Web 2.0 tier that like 50 or something like that backlinks pointing to your money site, and hitting those backlinks with such mass link building tool as our Synd Backlink Pro here. So yeah, in a moment we'll see the pop-up. It's gonna take a couple of minutes. Okay, after a couple of minutes the software completed the work, and you just click done, and that's it. Here are your reports. Yeah, thanks.